normal FX5 machine, there are some value addition on this. So one of the main thing is mechanically we change the C-axis design to a YRTC bearing. So it's having more stiffness. And electronic side, we have a new generation nanometric control generation 2 CNC. So electronically, mechanically, additionally, we have a new servo algorithm. It's kind of a tuning parameter for a silky, smooth surface. So these are the main difference. And then we have a motor temperature control is standard on this machine. All Ultra machines will have a motor temperature control. Same like what we discussed there. It will be constantly monitoring the spindle growth and controlling it actually. So you will have a better consistency and you can avoid any error due to the spindle growth. Then additional features like tool runout compensation. It's a software, it's a standard package. iBalance, it's a software which is going for the wheel balancing, because when you want to do a high quality tool, wheel balancing is very important, so that's also a standard feature. Laser Ultra, which is a automatic measurement and compensation, that is also standard feature on this machine. Additionally, all of this mechanical and electronics process wise, the very important is a best practice. Now you can get the best quality tool. So that we can do only with the standard operating procedures. So we have a special training. So what you need to do step by step to get the best tools. For example, you normally do the wheel qualification either by an external machine or by a probe or by a rod and touching it, but there is an error normally happens. So we have a the training session which is for the teaching by grinding method. So the advantage is you are eliminating any errors. You are taking exactly the high point on the tool.